Hey guys, how are you all doing? So today I have got a little Lidl haul for you. I'll just see how much I spent. I spent £11.30. So around the £10 mark. This wasn't my weekly shop, but I literally went in for some bread and milk and then ended up buying a lot more stuff. So because Lidl just tempts me with all the good little offers and nibbly bits they do. So first I got from the bakery was the jam donuts. These are 35p each, so I'll be having that. I then got some satay chicken, which was, where are you? £1.25. Now Lidl, I've seen these in Tesco's once, but can never see them. I've never seen them again. So Lidl is the only place that I shop in. Is it leaking? I don't know. The only place I shop in that I've seen them, and there's 10 in there, and I just really like those. I'm gonna have like a picky lunch today because I quite fancy that. I say picky lunch, I'm gonna have a baguette and that and some crisps. Then I got these chocolate bars. These were 55p. These are our caramel bars, so I think they're a bit like, they look a bit like Mars bars, so we'll see what they taste like for 55p. I got two like sandwich baguettes. These were 22p each. I got some instant noodles. They had, I rarely have them, but I might have them today. I'm just feeling it. I rarely have super noodles, like once in like, what, like probably like 3 times a year maybe. But they had super noodles, and then they had like their own version, which were 22p. So I thought I'd pick up those. And I got some ham because I'm gonna have ham and cheese baguette. These are 79p. I then got some cleaning stuff because I really do, their stuff is like, they do cheap and good cleaning stuff. So I got a pack of wipes. I do like using wipes. I know they're not great. These are 79p each. I got those. And then I got 2 floor wipes because I need to do some floor cleaning quite badly. These were 65p each as well. How many did you get in these? 15 in these, so that's 30. And then I think you get 80, yeah, 80 in there as well. And these are really good. I got some crisps. These were 85p. In the past, I've not been too impressed with Lidl crisps, so we're gonna give these a go. They're just ridge cut, which is good. I like a ridge cut, and like ready salted. So we'll see how that goes. I got some milk. This was literally £1.09, which I think it is in Tesco's anyway. And then I got some paracetamol. These are like 29p. Let me see. Yeah, 29p for paracetamol. I got some strawberries, which were £1.79. And I also picked this up in like the, what section is it? Like the, when it's gone, it's gone. And these are some hash brown bites, which I thought were quite interesting. I don't know how many is in there, quite a lot. I wonder if you can just eat them cold. We'll see. These were £1.59, which I suppose is okay. Can you eat them cold? I don't think you can. No, because it says like cook them for 10 minutes. So I'll be cooking those. But yeah, that's a quick little haul from Lidl. It's not a weekly shop or anything. I just wanted to pick up some milk and those baguettes, and then I picked up some other stuff, which wasn't great, but it's fine. I will eat it all, obviously, and I wanted some cleaning stuff when I was in there. I thought, oh, let's just get some cleaning stuff because I need to do some cleaning. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this quick little Lidl haul. What's your favourite thing to buy in Lidl? I'd like to know down below. Mine are the baguettes and cleaning stuff. I didn't buy any Jaffa cakes this time. I resisted, which are literally my top thing to buy in Lidl because their Jaffa cakes are amazing. I have done like my top tip, like my top buying, what did I call it? Top things to buy in Lidl or something. So I'll link that up there that you can go have a peruse of, because I do like Lidl at sometimes. So yeah, but my main shop is going to Tesco really. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys for watching. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're not ready, please subscribe, hit it down below. Follow me on my Instagrams, always link down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.